The birds this particular season are treating our trees and garden as their own personal dating site. So it's a situation of fly left or fly right, all parts of early mornings and evenings, accompanied by a cacophony of noises, especially helped on by the hardy doves, who seem to be late risers. Biodiversity is essential in any garden, and when you have established plants and fruits, you want to make sure that you encourage the birds and the bees and all the pollinators too. And don't get me wrong, we always want to do our part to spark the embers of romance to make sure that we're helping with the perpetuity of the fauna in the area. Um, so we'll go ahead and do that. But this particular season, the birds have decided to form
an avian labor union.
and they are seeking additional compensation for their labor, even though they've played a critical role in their pollination. So these are just a few tactics I've used just to ensure that there's fair compensation for everybody in the biosphere. The remuneration is fair on both sides, and making sure that at least our family get to indulge in a few fruits of their labor, and ours too. So we were very fortunate this season, and very early on, I could detect that with the proliferation of the flowers and the blossoms that we had in bloom, we would have a very good peach harvest. And the benefit of having heavy laden trees is that it gives us the advantage of being able to reach the fruit because the branches start to droop quite dramatically, bringing them well within range. However, when the plants start to blush, it makes them a ready target. So it's time for us to gather as much fruit as we can. And we are quite productive over here. Not only do we produce our own produce, but we also produce our own labor force. And it's time to enlist their services. And they do so with a hop, skip, and a jump, not only for the love of gardening, but also for the threat of not having Wi Fi for a week. At this point, the ladder just wasn't adequate enough, so we had to resort to the trampoline and being creative. Now for a friendly wager on what we've managed to gather for the day. Whatever you can't give away to family and friends, first separate the fruit that's not entirely mature, put them in paper bag or plastic bag. Together with apples, they release something called ethylene, which accelerates the ripening, and within 2 days, you'll have a sweet and juicy result. The next thing you want to increase the shelf life so you can enjoy your fruit for as long as possible. And you can do this with a simple 3 ingredient recipe. Simply boil up your fruit together with a generous helping of sugar. To that, you add some fresh lemon, which is high in pectin, which helps the jam thicken to a beautiful consistency. Enjoy with a warm slice of fresh bread.